everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a crossed lock mesh pattern for macrame designs. Let's get started. To begin, I've gone ahead and attached 8 ropes to a dowel rod with Lark's head knots. Now our first step is to tie one full row of square knots all the way across, and I've went ahead and done my first 3 just to save a little bit of time for the tutorial. So to make a square knot, I'm always using sections of 4. I take the side on the far right of those 4 to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I take the side on the left to cross over that right rope. I send it behind the 2 in the middle and up through the loop where I can then pull it tight. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle. The side on the right goes over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull it tight. Now it's time to begin our second row of square knots, and this is what is going to begin our cross-locked pattern. So to do this, I'm going to leave off these 2 ropes here on the left for now and take the next 4 ropes, so 2 of my white and 2 yellow. Now I'm going to cross these ropes with each other. I'm going to send one rope over and then under a white rope. Then I'm going to take that other yellow rope, and this time I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to go under and then over. So it's a little bit of weaving. Over, under, over. Now I'm going to take these 4 cords here on the left end now, so 2 yellow and 2 white, and tie a square knot as I did before. So that right rope goes over the 2 in the middle, the left goes over the right, behind the 2, and up through the loop. And I pull it nice and tight. And I am leaving space from my last square knot, so about 2 finger widths, but this can be varied to your desired project and style. Then I finish my square knot out. Just like that. I'm going to ignore these 2 white strings for now. Take the yellow here and then the next set of white, and I'm going to weave these again like before. So I'm going over, then under, and over. Pull that off to the side, and I'm going to take the 4 white strings here and tie a square knot. Just like that. And again, skip these yellow strings here. Take your white and the next yellow, and again, weave it through. Over, under, over. Take the 4 yellow cords now and form your square knot. And lastly, I will take the last 4 cords here all the way on the right end to tie my final square knot. And now we can go in and do our next row of square knots. Leave off the 2 on the far left and take the next 4 ropes, and again, weave them as we did before. Over, under, over. Now I'm going to take all 4 of these white cords to form my square knot. And there you go. So that is all there is to this. You can keep repeating this pattern until you have reached the desired length for whatever project you might be using this for. I think this would look especially pretty in a macrame wall hanging, and you can even use this as the mesh design in a bag. You could also use this as a backing for a plant hanger or a shelf or anything you would like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.